Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the PassFab channel. This video will show you how to fix the DPC Watchdog violation in Windows 11. The reason for this error is mainly due to hardware compatibility. Software conflicts caused by incorrect drivers or the installation of new components can also generate this error. The exact cause of the DPC Watchdog violation error can be hard to pin down, but there are several different fixes we can try. Without further ado, let's begin. First, disconnect all external devices and check if the blue screen error still occurs. If the error does not appear, then it is caused by an external device. Update the external device driver to fix this error. If the error persists, try the next solution. Check the system and hard drive. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run window. Type CMD and press Ctrl and Shift and Enter. Next, type the following command. Check for corrupted system files and repair them. Scan for disk drivers and repair them. After the command is executed, restart the computer to fix the error. After the repair is complete and the blue screen error still occurs, then you need to update the driver. Update disk drives. Press the Windows key plus X and select Device Manager. Then select the disk drive. Right-click the disk to select Update Driver. Both of these options are available. Just select the most appropriate driver. After the update is complete, restart your computer to fix the blue screen error. After updating the disk drive, then check for Windows System Updates. Update Windows 11. Open Settings. Select Windows Update. Click Retry All in Windows Update. Wait for the Windows software update to complete. This will improve computer compatibility and antivirus capability. Select Restart your computer to both fix Windows errors. Of course, I would also recommend you use PassFab FixUWin. It can check and fix more than 200 Windows-related problems, help you quickly fix computer problems caused by Windows errors. If you are interested, you can click the link in the description to download it. Launch PassFab FixUWin using an accessible computer. Click Create a boot disk now. Select the Windows 11 system. Insert a USB of 4 GB or more. Click Next. Wait for the Repair Environment ISO download to complete and burn the boot disk. Once done, click to view the detailed tutorial. The tutorials on USB booting and using FixUWin are all here. Now insert the boot disk into the PC with the boot error. Press the power button. The video uses the HP laptop for demonstration, so press F9 to open the boot menu. Select USB and press the Enter button. Wait for PassFab FixUWin to finish loading. Now click the Automated Repair option. Select the system disk and click Start Repair. Now just wait for the system repair to be complete. This process will take 5 to 30 minutes. Please wait. Okay, the repair is now complete. Click the Restart option to turn on Windows. Okay, Windows repair is done. Well, that's all about fixing the DPC Watchdog violation in Windows 11. I hope this video can help you to solve your computer problems. If you want to learn more about computers, you can click to view the video below for more solutions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.